Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am designing a responsive product detail pop-up model for the cart section of the e-commerce e-shop for our e-shop using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I will show the final user experiences first and then I will go line by line towards my code. So let's go to my video. So this is our cart page. Each item shown its image, title, price and actions. Next to the title there is a small icon, info icon. When I click it, a product details model pop up. Inside the model you will see a larger product image, the title, price, stock status and a full description on small screens. The layout stacks neatly, so it is completely mobile friendly. I can close the model using the X button, the close button, or by clicking outside. The idea is to help customers view more details without leaving the cart. The model should open quickly, keep focus inside for accessibility, and adapt to all screen sizes. We all keep the design clean, readable, and consistent with our eShop branding. So let's go to my backend part. So this is my VS Code mean Visual Studio Code application. So I have included Bootstrap, CSS, and JavaScript, and Bootstrap icons for the info icon. You can build this without Bootstrap, but Bootstrap gives us an accessible model, grid layout, and nice defaults out of the box. So next to each cart item's title, I add a small information icon that opens the model. The key attributes are data bs toggle equal model, data bs target equal product model. I also add that attribute to pass product data into the model, like data title, data price, data image, and data DES. This makes the model reusable for all cart items. At the bottom of this page, the place the model HTML with ID product model. Inside the model we have model dialog and model content wraps, model header with the product title and the close button, model body with the actual product content, model footer with action bars like close and add to cart. Bootstrap handles focus trapping, ESC to close, and the fade animations. So in the model body I used a simple 2-column grids. Left side grid the large product image and optional thumbnails underneath. The right side is product title, product price, stock or quantity available, and the full description. With Bootstrap grid classes with col 12, col MD6, the columns display side by side on desktop and stack on mobile for readability. So I keep custom CSS minimal, just enough to make image looks good, and long description scroll nicely. So give the main image a fixed height and object with cover. Set a max height on the model body with overflow auto, and small spacing utilities for comfortable reading. So to make the model dynamic, I attach a click listener to each info trigger. On click, I read the data attributes from the trigger. I feel those values into the model, update the title text, set the image src, format the price, and insert the description. Then the model opens innocently, showing the correct details for the clicked item. If you prefer, you can fetch product details from the server by product ID before showing the model. So, if product details aren't uh, present in the DOM, use Ajax on click. Send the product ID to an endpoint like productdetails.php, receive JSON, and populate the model fields. This keeps data fresh and the HTML iterate, and add area labels to the info button. For example, view details for ensure color contrast is strong. Keep the close button visible and keyboard focusable. Bootstrap already manages focus with the model and returns focus to the trigger on close. So the flow is add a reusable model and in for triggers with the data attributes on click populate the model with the right content. Let Bootstrap handle the responsive layout and accessibility. So that is the responsive detail product details pop-up model for the cart section, built with HTML, CSS, and a small amount of JavaScript. So if you like this script, so if you like this video, so subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching my video.